Hey folks, we're live at 9:34, battling for Spencer's Yak Face. As you can see there in passing, I got 75 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. 1 through 75 right there. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5, which we did. We got an 8, so we're golden. Good luck, homies. Matt Johnson, round 1 and 2. Steve, 3. Matt Johnson, 4. Steve again on top in round 5. Ryan, 6. Jimmy, round 7. And our winner is Don Barber, in at number 41. Congratulations, Don. Here's the verification. UWCGLA. There you have it, Don Barber. And at number 41 is the victor. I'm done at 9:35. As seen here. Again, there you go. Congratulations, Don. See you next time, guys. Thanks.